Hey everyone. Today let's talk about something super important, your bone health. So, what exactly is bone health? Well, it's all about the strength and density of your bones. Strong bones are crucial to prevent fractures, keep a good posture, and help you move freely. Now let's dive into the factors that affect bone health. As we age, our bone density naturally declines. Women especially are more prone to bone loss compared to men. Diet plays a big role too. A diet low in calcium and vitamin D can lead to weak bones. And don't forget, exercise. Regular exercise helps build and maintain strong bones. Lifestyle habits like smoking, excessive alcohol consumption, and certain medications can also contribute to bone loss. You might be wondering, what are the signs of poor bone health? Often, there are no early signs, but some people may experience loss of height, back pain, or fractures, especially in the hip, wrist, or spine. So how can you improve your bone health? It's simpler than you think. First, eat a healthy diet rich in calcium and vitamin D. Calcium is key for building strong bones, and vitamin D helps your body absorb it. Good sources include dairy products, leafy greens, fatty fish, eggs, and fortified foods. Next, get regular exercise. Weight-bearing exercises like walking, jogging, and lifting weights are great for your bones. Also, avoid smoking and limit alcohol consumption, as both can increase your risk of bone loss. And don't forget to talk to your doctor about your bone health. They can assess your risk and recommend ways to improve it. Here are a few more tips. Get enough sleep, maintain a healthy weight, and take supplements if recommended by your doctor. By following these tips, you can improve your bone health and reduce your risk of fractures. For more information, check out resources from the National Osteoporosis Foundation, the National Institutes of Health, and the CDC. Remember, this video is for informational purposes only, so consult your doctor for any concerns.